Lately, I've been doing a lot of teaching for the affiliate marketer or the blogger that is trying to make money online by monetizing their blogs. There's lots of ways to do this, but you can add ads, you can do affiliate links. There's lots of different options. Today, I want to show you what I'm doing here. I've got a new blog post that I'm doing. And this is on my lifestyle blog. This blog's only a couple months old, so it's just getting rolling. And it's in a series of blogs that I've actually launched. And this particular one really lends to images and graphics such as pins. So the goal for this blog post is well, there's a couple of them. One is going to be to monetize the website with ads at an eventual point. And then also affiliate marketing. So example here, this blog post is all about mother of the bride fashion. My particular audience for this website is the midlife woman who's at that phase now where her daughter's potentially getting married. And she's looking up outfits, and it's important now to give her visuals. So I had the blog written by a ghostwriter, and I have lots of videos on how to hire ghostwriters. And now I'm just going in and optimizing it by, adding some colors. And I've got links in here that are affiliate links. And then I've got things like pins. So these pins are actually my pins that I created on Pinterest. And then I was able to come over here to my blog post and embed them. So what this is going to do is this is going to invite more followers to my Pinterest board. So I like to send people back and forth, get my Pinterest people over to my blog, get my blog people to follow Pinterest, get my YouTube people to follow, that kind of a little trend there. And of course, for today, my goal would be for somebody to click on one of these items and potentially buy them. And then I get the affiliate commission, right? So let me show you today how you can put one of these pins on your website. So I'm going to go to Edit Post. I'm going to go over to Pinterest where I've got all these pins, and I've only been doing Pinterest since I started this board a couple months ago. So it's just now getting rolling. And I'm going to grab one of my Mother of the Bride dresses that I want to embed. Let me go to my boards. Let me go to my Mother of the Bride. Okay, and I am going to do some more with accessories here. So let me find a pair of shoes or jewelry. Okay, this is a good pair of shoes. So I'm going to take that pair of shoes, and here's what you do. You click on these little 3 dots, embed. Now I like to do I'm doing the large embed code. And I'm hiding the description because that's not necessary. All of those hashtags and affiliate disclaimers that I put on Pinterest because they're already in my blog in a different way. So I'm going to take this code right here, copy it, go over to my blog. I'm going to go down to wherever I want to put that. And I'm kind of in let's see. I'll just put it up here for now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am using WordPress Gutenberg. And I am obsessed with WordPress, and I love the new Gutenberg editor because I'm able to use content blocks. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click a plus sign, and then I'm going to click HTML. Paste in the HTML. Now, that's not all. When you are using Pinterest, you have to also have this code in the body tag. So what I do is copy that on WordPress so that I don't have to access code and do all the super geeky stuff that I'd rather not do. I have a plugin called Header and Footer Scripts. And then on each page, I get this little box, header scripts, body scripts. Okay. So all I did is I paste it right there in the body scripts. And I only need to do that once. I don't need to do that for each pin. As long as I have that on the page, I don't need to do it for each pin. Okay, and so you saw we just added that pair of shoes. So we're going to go over to preview, and I'll show you where it shows up. I have lots of blogs and training. I have lots of videos on how to do every step of what I'm doing here, and I have built multiple businesses off the back of blogging. And still to this day, people say SEO is dead, and it's not. So subscribe, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video, and you'll be able to learn this with me. And then, whoops, where did we put that pin? Maybe we didn't. Okay, under Winter Mother of the Brides. Let me click update. I'm still going through this particular blog post, doing all of my edits and checking my punctuation and capitals and whatnot. Okay, so now we'll go down to the Mother of the Bride outfits. There it is. That's the shoe I want. See? So that gives you the ability to use images that are not just stock art and clip art. They look better, and they're affiliate opportunities. Now, in another video, I show you how to embed Amazon links here instead. And if you've got product pages on your website, you could insert a WooCommerce content block. There's so many ways to do this. But in today's video, I wanted to show you how to specifically do this with Pinterest. I'm Lori Ballen, and I earned 6 figures as an affiliate marketer alone, and then I have several other businesses. Thank you for joining me today.